ka ba ng effective at good quality na dish sterilizing cabinet? Well, presenting the Mark's Floor Standing Tableware Sterilizer. It kills 99% of household bacteria at sealed na siya from insects and rats kaya sure na safe ka. And yes, that's me. The Mark's Floor Standing Tableware Sterilizer has digital button. The power button turns red when it's on. Also, it has an upper button for the upper part of the sterilizer and lower button for the lower part, of course. It turns blue when you turn it on. Yan. The upper part of the sterilizer has an ozonizer for disinfection. It has 2 racks na kasyang-kasya sa ating mga plastic bottles, glasses at microwavable Tupperware. While on the lower part of the sterilizer, it has a heating tube that sterilizes our plates and other dining ware. It also has 3 racks na kasyang-kasya talaga. Oh, huwag kakalimutan basahin ng manual at i-keep ang warranty certificate. And that's all for today. See you on the next video. Bye!